Now on May the 29th, 2010, just at about 11:30, I wanted to give you some images of this lovely oceanfront town in the north of Spain, in the province of Asturias. This town is called Ribadesella, and it's so called because it is right on the Sella River, which is one of the main rivers in the area that is actually used for a lot of adventure sports, for canoeing, for kayaking, all sorts of stuff. And every year there's actually a big canoe race, I think it is, down the Sella River, and that is the descent of the Ribadesella. And as you can see, there's a pedestrian zone that starts here. I'm brand new in town. I just had a little meeting at the Tourist Information Center and got some brochures, as you can see. Lovely brochures right here. So I'm doing a self-guided tour. All the Spanish stores with local delicacies. And I think I have reached the most important local church here. Let's see. Yeah, definitely looks like it. Let's have a quick peek inside. Lovely streets, pedestrian areas, all with stone walkways. Very typical of the area are these houses with the multi-window fronts that are made of wood here. And then let me give you a look around the main square here in Ribadesella. Very lovely. The town is still a little bit quiet this Saturday morning. And here's a look inside the cathedral. Very interesting design. Not as ornamented as many churches in Europe. Very unusual square roof. A beautiful side altar. And here is a stained glass window. Stained glass window here. All sorts of painted frescoes at the top in the Cathedral of Ribadesella.